Happy birthday to you, to you. Happy birthday to you, to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
O eto, mapagpalang araw nga pala, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Gusto ko lamang ng batiin ang aking kabuhay dyan. Siyempre, happy birthday Ate Jess. Yun, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, yun lamang. Bye-bye, goodbye, hey.
Hi Ate Jess! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday Ate Jess! Nauna lang
kami,
mamaya na lang yung sunod.
Okay ha?
Alam na.
Alam na, send na yung location.
Hello Ate Jess, maligayang kaarawan. Wish ko lang po, sana po maging healthy kayo buong pamilya. And may Allah or God bless you or your family, your whole family. And thank you for being there as my ate, hindi lang po sa amin, pati sa lahat ng mga star. Thank you po and God bless you, both of you ni Sir Brian. Thank you po.
Happy birthday Ate Jess. Ayan, I wish ko lang stay healthy, gorgeous, sexy and beautiful always. Sana someday magkita ulit tayo at mag-bonding. I miss you with Sir Brian. See you when I see you. Bye!
Hi Ate Jess! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Good health. Stay sexy and beautiful. Like me. Char. Ingat palagi. Love you.
Hi ate, happy birthday po. Thank you for being my ate and God bless. Sana po maging masaya ka sa birthday mo at maraming birthday pa dumating. Happy birthday ate. See you. Bye bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ate Jess, happy birthday po. Enjoy.
Hello Ate Jess, happy birthday po. Enjoy your day po. God bless. Bye.
Hi Ate Jess, great afternoon or great morning. Ayan, happy birthday. And I wish you nothing but the best. Lagi kang maging healthy. And syempre, mag-ingat kayo lagi ni Sir Brian. I'm really hoping na nandyan ako ngayon celebrating your birthday. But through spirit, andyan ako with you. And sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw na to. Mag-ingat, okay? And enjoy the celebration with the family. Ayan, sa lahat ng stars na makakasama. I miss you all so much. Happy birthday, ate. Love you.
Hi, Jessa. Happy birthday. Tama pa ng dating ko. May pagkain ka. Makalibre man lang ng pagkain. Char lang. See you soon and just wishing you a good health. Stay healthy, stay beautiful. Anong healthy pala yun? Diba? Kita-kits soon and sana magka-jam ka. Bye!
Maligayang kaarawan, Jess, ha? At binabati ka rin ang octopus na to.
Happy birthday, Jesus! Happy birthday, Jesus! Ayan, happy birthday, Jesus! Ayan, wish you a happy birthday and a good health and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Sana magpakain ka. May pansit. Nandiyan si JD. Pansit daw. Bye! Happy birthday! See you! Stay beautiful and healthy and pasakig ilok. Happy birthday, Jesus!
Me, happy birthday. I'm sorry I'm driving. Makulit kasi asawa mo. Char. Happy birthday. I love you. I miss you. Dito lang ako sa inyong dalawa. Sa tawag mo lang. Dito lang ako. Of course, good health, you know, good health. More money. More money. More client for your kilay-kilay. Okay, happy birthday again. Miss you. Sana magkita ulit tayo soon. So, kung may gig ka, let me know. Sumuntahan kita this coming Friday. Love you, me. Miss you. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Jess. Wish you more singing and dancing career. Sana ma-invite kami sa mga magiging concert mo in the future. And God bless and more birthdays to come. And yung handa mo, pwede namang ipa-over. Malapit lang din naman ng delivery charge. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy your special day and happy birthday. Miss you. Bye.
Happy birthday sa aming napakaganda, napaka-sexy, napaka-flawless at napakabait na kaibigan na si Jessa, ang aking tokayo. I wish you all the best and I wish you happiness, joy, and peace that you deserve not only today but for the rest of your life. At saka, thank you so much for being so malambing and so maaalahanin na friend. Ayan, happy birthday ulit!
Jessa, happy birthday! I miss you. Sana lahat ng problema mo ay mawala. Lahat ng utang, mabawasan. And world peace. Charot. Yan. Hintayin namin yung kainan mo Kasi inuman daw. Sabi ng mga kuya natin, mga tito natin sa bukas. Ayan, sana maging masaya ka habang buhay. Bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay ni Lord. Hindi ka sana pabayaan ni Lord. Pamilya mo at ikaw. Sana yumaman ka na para ibigay mo sana yung mga porsyento mo. Charot. Ayun lang naman. Bukas pa may magkikita ni Jerome So, ako muna. Mamaya na si Jerome, pati si Chiki. So, ayun. Sana masaya ka today. Celebrate simple. Be with your lovey-dubs. Ayan, I love you. Mwah.